Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, I'm Shad. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and also if you dig the content, make sure to hit that like button on your way out as well. Today we got a special one of my favorite silhouettes of all time. We're going to take a look at the Air Trainer High SC Royals. So I don't know exactly when these officially dropped, but I know I caught these on Snipes last week. Retail was $150, and I am excited to have these in the collection for sure. So the colorway is supposed to resemble Bo Jackson's time with the Kansas City Royals. First off, if you don't know who Bo Jackson is, he is arguably the greatest two-sport athlete of all time. Some will say that Jim Thorpe is that person. Of my era, Bo Jackson, hands down, is that dude. Look him up. He was a beast. Pro bowler in NFL, all-star in baseball. Like, this guy was amazing. Natural talent, and he was just no other like him. No other like him, I'd say. One of the greatest silhouettes of all time. You guys know the Bo Knows ad campaigns. So this one here resembles the Kansas City Royal colorway, and again, he spent 4 years with the Royals from 86 to 90. Cool thing on this one, 2022, they're using a slightly better materials that I've seen in the past on the Air Trainer High SCs. It's still synthetic leather, but it's softer on the toe box and then also on the cap as well. And then you've got perforations across the whole shoe, the whole upper. You've got this silver Nike check, which is reflective 3M. And then you've got this suede overlays on the top portion here, and then also around the eye stay. Areas here are supposed to be for added support and rigidity. And then you've got this soft liner in black. Got a neoprene tongue. The tongue seems to be a little bit shorter. You can see the top of the shoe, and then the tongue kind of sinks down in there. I think that's pretty interesting. I don't know if that's closer to the OG, but it is what it is. These are the coolest laces that I've ever seen on sneakers before, I'm not gonna lie. Like, these are really dope. You've got Nike on the heel, and then you've got that baby blue and that darker blue on the midsole. I love that contrast in blue. And then you've got the standard rubber outsole with that baby blue hit as well. Really clean shoe. I am a big fan of this colorway, and I know there's another Kansas City Royal colorway that I'm even more excited about as well. Can't wait till that comes out. Post your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on the Air Trainer High SC in the Royal colorway. Do you like this colorway? Which is your favorite colorway of this silhouette? Of course, the classics like the Raider version and then the Auburn colorway are just always going to be timeless. But there's also things like the Broken Bats, which is probably one of my favorite versions of the shoe. And then you've got just so many other colors that they've dropped over the years. But let me know what your favorite is. All right, so that's it for this one. Thank you guys. Make sure you post your comments below. As always, until the next time, I'll catch you later. Y'all be easy. Peace.